हेलो लर्नर्स, आपकी मैम आ चुकी हैं सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम चैप्टर के साथ। आज हम इस क्लास में सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम के कुछ क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने जा रहे हैं। तो सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। यस, आई होप आपने सारे फॉर्मूलेज याद कर लिए होंगे, क्योंकि बिना फॉर्मूलेज के चैप्टर को अटेंड करना बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है। तो सबसे पहले आप फॉर्मूलेज लर्न करिए, फिर इस वीडियो पर फिर से वापस आइएगा, जिससे हम इस क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस करें और आप सारे क्वेश्चन खुद से कर पाएँ। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, यस रीड द क्वेश्चन। द डायमीटर ऑफ टू कोन्स आर इक्वल if this is the first cone and this is the another cone. Both the cones diameter are equal. According to the question, the first cone diameter will be d1 and the second cone diameter will be 2. According to this, d1 is equals to d2 is equals to x, because both the cones having the diameter equal, so we will let the diameter as x. Okay, and if their slant height are in the ratio, means L1 over L2's ratio is 5:4. This is clear to you? Okay, we need to find out the ratio of their curved surface area. What is the curved surface area of the cone? First, CSA of first cone, we need to find out CSA of first cone divided by CSA of second cone. Yes or no? Yes. CSA of first cone will be pi r1 l1 divided by pi r2 l2. Yes or no? Okay, this is the diameter. Both the diameters are equal to x, so their radius is also equal to x. Yes or no? Why is it so? Because when we talk about the radius is not equal to x. First, see this. The diameter ratio will be d1 over d2 is equals to x over x. This is the ratio of the diameter. So what we can write? Twice of r1 divided by twice of r2 is equals to x over x. Diameter can be written as twice of radius. This is clear to you? The diameter ratio is equals to the radius ratio, so it is equals to x over x. Okay, so now we are going to put all the values in the formula in the ratio. So pi will cancel this pi. Instead of r1 we can write x, instead of r2 we can write x. Yes, and L1 over L2 ratio is 5:4. So if you cut this, what is the ratio of their curved surface area? So the correct answer is the ratio of their curved surface area, ratio of their curved surface area is 5:4. This is the correct answer. Any doubt in this question? No? The diameter ratio is equals to the radius ratio. This is clear? Okay. Now move to the next question. How much ice cream can be put into a cone with base radius? Okay, we have the radius that is 3.5 centimeter. We have the height of the cone that is 12 centimeter. We need to put an ice cream inside a cone. It means they are talking about the capacity of the cone. When we talk about the capacity of the cone, we need to find out the volume of the cone. Okay, so learners, tell me what is the formula for volume of cone? Yes, very good. Volume of cone is 1/3 times volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Yes, learners, see this. We will put the value 1/3. The value of phi is 22/7. The value of r is 3.5. 3.5 square into 12. So 3.5 square will be, yes, 12.25 into 12. It will become 1/3 into 22/7 into 147. If you cancel this 7 times, it will be 21, and this will be cancelled by 3 by 7 times. And 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter cube. This is the capacity of the cone, means we can put 154 centimeter cube ice cream inside a cone having a base radius 3.5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. Any doubt in this, learners? No? Okay. Moving to the next question. The volume of two hemispheres. Okay, what is the volume of hemisphere? Yes, 2/3 pi r1 square. This is the volume. No, r1 cube divided by 2/3 pi r2 cube. Why ma'am is writing r1 r2? Because there are two hemispheres. So the first hemisphere having a radius r1, the second is having a radius r2. Okay, this is the formula for both the hemisphere volume. 2/3 pi r1 cube divided by 2/3 pi r2 cube, having a ratio 8:27. This is the information given in the question. Now we will cancel the like terms. So we will have r1 over r2 whole cube is equals to 8/27. We will take cube root both sides. So r1 over r2 will be 2/3. Yes or no? This is clear? Okay. The question is solved. Yes or no? The ratio of their radii. So the ratio of their radii will be 2:3. Since it is a ratio, so no need to write the unit in this. Any doubt? No? Okay. Yes, see this question. The circumference of the edge of a hemisphere ball is 132 centimeter. Find the surface area of the hemispherical ball. Okay, it is a katori whose edge are in which shape? Circular shape, yes or no? Let me change the color for you. Okay, this is a semicircular shape, yes or no? This is a circular shape and circle circumference is 2 pi r. According to the given information, we have 2 pi r is equals to 132 centimeter. From this, we can get the value of r. Yes, simplify this and get the value of r. If you cancel this by 11 table, it will come how many times? 1 and 2, 12 times. 6 and this again cancel 3. So the radius is 21 centimeter. What we need to find out? The surface area. Now the question arises, what we need to find out? The total surface area or the surface area? In most of the question, it is pretty obvious whenever the surface area is written, we need to find out the TSA. But here it is hemispherical ball which is opened from the top, so no need to find out the surface area of this part. So I will color this region as red color. No need to find out the area of this region, only we will find out the area of this region. This is the CSA of hemisphere, so find out the CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemispherical bowl is 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r square means 21 whole square. It can be written as 2 into 22 into 3 into 21. Yes, multiply all these terms. 2 into 22 into 3 into 21 will be 2772 centimeters square. This is the correct answer. Any doubt in this? No? Okay. Yes, see question number 5th. Two cubes, each of volume this. The volume is given. We can find out the side. Yes or no? Volume 1 is 64 as well as volume 2 is 64 centimeter cube. So with the help of this, we can find out the side of first cube. Yes, what is the formula for volume of cube? A cube. So A cube is given as 64. So we need to find out A1. A1 will be cube root of 64 is, yes, 4. As well as A2 will be 4 centimeter. Okay. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid and volume of the resulting cuboid. Okay. Two cubes having a sides, are attached end to end. So their length will changes to, very good. So their length will become 8, width is 4, height is 4. Okay, what we need to find out the surface area means the TSA. TSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 into LB, that is 8 into 4, 32. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 8, 32. If you solve this, 2 into 80, yes or no? This will become 64. 64 plus 16 is 80 and the TSA is 160 centimeters square. Similarly, we can find out the volume of the resulting cuboid. Volume formula is length into width into height. The length is 8, width is 4, height is 4. 8 into 16. 8 into 16 will be, yes, 128 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the resulting cuboid. Any doubt? No? Okay, now move to the sixth question. How many shots, each having a diameter 3 centimeter, can be made from a cuboidal lead solid of dimension this? ओके हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम एक बड़े क्यूबॉइड को पिघला कर क्या बना रहे हैं, शॉर्ट्स. और जो शॉर्ट्स हैं वो किस शेप के होंगे, स्फेरिकल. यस, सो वी नीड टू कंपेयर देयर वॉल्यूम, क्योंकि एक ही चीज को पिघलाकर हम दूसरी चीज बना रहे हैं तो दोनों का क्या सेम रहेगा, वॉल्यूम. सो वी कैन राइट वॉल्यूम ऑफ cuboid, that is 9 into 11 into 12, that will be equals to the volume of shots, volume of n shots. So n into what is the volume of one shot? One shot volume will be 4 by 3 pi. So here we will write 2 into 2 into 2. So if you simplify it, yes, learners, if you do the calculation, what will be the answer? 21 into 4, that is 84 shots are there having a capacity, having a volume equals to the cuboid whose dimension is 9, 11 and 12. Any doubt? हमें क्या करना था, एक क्यूबॉइड को पिघलाकर शॉर्ट्स बनाने थे जिसके डायामीटर हमें दिया था कितना था, 3. तो पूछ रहे थे हम ऐसे कितने शॉर्ट्स बना सकते हैं उस क्यूबॉइडल सॉलिड से. तो हमें पता है अगर हम एक ही चीज से दूसरी चीज बनाते हैं तो दोनों का क्या बराबर होता है, वॉल्यूम. तो हमने लिखा वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड बराबर वॉल्यूम ऑफ एन शॉर्ट. तो यहाँ से हमें एन की वैल्यू कितनी मिल गई, 84. मीन्स 84 शॉर्ट्स कैन बी मेड विद दिस क्यूबॉइडल सॉलिड हैविंग अ डायमेंशन 9, 11 and 12 centimeter. Any doubt? No? Okay. Now move to the next question. Three cubes of a metal whose edges are in the ratio this are melted. The first cube having a side 3x, very good. Second cube having a side 4x. Yes or no? This is clear. 3 cubes of metal whose edges are in the ratio. Means first cube side is A1, second cube side is A2, the third cube side is A3. Whose ratios are A1 ratio A2 ratio A3 is given as 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. So we can write this from this. Okay. These are melted and converted into a single cube whose diagonal is given. Okay, we know that the volume remains unchanged. So volume of first cube having a side A1 plus volume of second cube plus volume of third cube will be equal to the volume of the cube which is made after combining these 3 cubes. Yes. So we will equate the volume. So the volume of first cube will be 3x whole cube plus 4x whole cube plus 5x whole cube is equal to the volume of the bigger cube which is obtained by combining these 3 cubes. So it will be 27x square cube plus 64x cube plus 125x cube barabar volume. Okay. The resulting cuboid having a diagonal length is 12 root 3. We know that diagonal length is equals to a root 3. So the diagonal, if the side of the square is a, so the diagonal is a root 3. According to this, the diagonal is given. If you compare, can you find out the side? Yes, the side of the square will be 12. If the side is 12, so their volume will be 12 cube. Yes. So if you take x cube common, inside the bracket you have 27 plus 64 plus 125 is equals to 12 whole cube. Yes, learners, tell me the 12 cube. The 12 cube is 1728. Okay, if you add them, what will come? 27 plus 64 plus 125 will be 216. And this 216 will cancel this 1728. How many times? Yes, 8 times. So the value of x is 2. This is the value of x. So the correct answer is find the edges of these 3 cubes. So the first cube is having a edge 6 centimeters, second is having 8, and third is having a edge 10 centimeter. Any doubt, learners? No? Okay, now move to the next question. The sum of the radius of base. The sum of the radius of base and height of a solid circular cylinder is 37. If the total surface area, what is the formula for TSA of the cylinder? Yes, TSA of cylinder is 2 pi r bracket r plus h. This is given equals to 1628. Also, the value of r plus h is? Yes, the value of r plus h is 37. Yes, solve this expression. So this cancel 2 times. How many times? 8, 1, 4. And this is cancelling by 11 table by 2. And this is 74 times. This will cancel this 2 times. 2 cancel this 2. So this implies the radius value is 7 centimeter. What we need to find out? Yes. What we need to find out? The volume of cylinder. We know volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. Put all the values you have. The height. What is the height? If the radius is 7, the height will be 30. If yes, put the value 30. 7, 7 cancel this. 210 into 22. What will come? Yes, learners, 21 into 22 will be 462. So 4620 centimeter cube is the volume of the cylinder. Any doubt? No? Okay. Moving to the next question. Yes, the surface area of a solid metallic sphere. What is the surface area of the solid metallic sphere? Yes, 4 pi r square is given as 616. Yes, simplify it to 25, 254, and this is, yes, cancel this 616. It will be 154. Yes or no? If you cancel this 4, 2, 4. Yes, learners, see this question. If you cancel 616 by 4, it will be 154 times. Yes. Now cancel this 22. How many times it will cancel this? 7 times. Very good. R square is equals to 7 into 7, that is 49. So the value of R will be 7, the square root of 49. Okay, we had find out the radius of the sphere. This sphere is melted and recast into a cone. Means the volume of sphere barabar volume of cone. Yes or no? Yes. Volume of sphere formula is, yes, very good, 2 by 3 pi r cube is equals to volume of cone. What is the volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square. The radius is given? No. We need to find out the radius, diameter. Okay, the height is given, that is 28. Yes, cancel it. 3 cancel this 3 pi and 4 cancel this 28 by 7 times. So 7 is cancelling with 7. R square is equals to 49. Again, the radius value is 7. Yes. So the new cone is formed having a radius how much? 7. If the radius is 7, what will be the diameter? Very good. The diameter is 7 into 2, that is 14 centimeter. Any doubt, learners? No? Okay. The last question. The dimensions of a metallic cuboid are given. It is melted and recast into a cube. It means the volume of cuboid will be equals to volume of cube. Yes or no? Yes. So we will write is equals to a cube. We need to find out the surface area. For finding the surface area, first we need to find out the side. So it can be written as 1000 into 8 cube is equals to a cube. 10 cube into 8 ka whole cube is equals to a cube. So the value of a is 10 into 8, that is 80 centimeter. This is the side of the cube. If the side of the cube is 80, what will be the surface area? When we talk about the surface area, it means we need to find out the TSA. It depends upon the question. So it will be 6a square. 6 into a square. 80 square is 6400 into 6. Yes, learners, multiply 64 by 6. You will get 38400 centimeter square as area. Which area? Surface area. Any doubt? All the questions are done. Yes, learners. Since all the questions are very easy, still if you have any doubt, you can comment and ask your doubt. Okay, learners, in next video, we will discuss more questions related to this chapter. Okay, bye.